Hello, Excellians! In the previous tutorial, I had shown you how to create a dynamic 3D table in Excel that updates automatically with the source data. But we overlooked a crucial error while preparing the source data, making the 3D table inaccurate. This tutorial is about fixing that error. So let's start. The 3D table updates perfectly when you update any data in the first source table, which represents the top view. Pick a cell in the source table and change the value while keeping an eye on its respective position in the 3D table. Then you'll see the instantaneous update in the 3D table along with the change in the source data. Now let's do that with the second source table, which creates the front view in the 3D table. You will only find it to be working as smoothly as earlier. However, regarding the third source table, representing the side view, you may even find a mismatch between the source data and its respective position in the 3D table, and therefore updating the source data will not cause the 3D table to update correctly. To fix the issue, we actually need to reverse the row orders from the first source table before converting them to columns. Well, you can obviously do that manually, but doing so can be problematic if you have large data. Check out the tutorial linked in the description on how to do that with ease. And this was the crucial error that we overlooked, unfortunately, making the entire 3D table faulty. I am grateful to iknownothing495 for pointing it out to me. If you come across other tutorials making the same mistake, please point it out to them before anyone else end up doing the same mistake. And that's it for this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you with a new tutorial.